Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Paola. You guys know this. If you don't, you probably should think about subscribing to this channel because it's pretty cool. Anyways, today's video is gonna be super informal. As you can tell, I am laying in bed right now. But it's just gonna be kind of like my Sunday recovery, what I do to take care of me so that I can have some sanity. I have not been doing this lately, and decided I really need to get back to it because I feel myself spiraling and that's not okay. So Jake is like dancing in front of me right now. Anyway, so I am in my bed. I just literally got the idea to film this and I was like, I wanted to be very like I wanted to be like you guys were hanging out with me. And Simba's meowing too. I wish I had thought to do this. I had just polished my nails in this beautiful color that I've had forever by OPI. I think it's Susie, the first lady of nails. But it's like an olive green color and it just felt very fall to me. Anyway, I'm about to probably do a face mask. I like to do my Sunday recovery a little bit at a time. Like, I'm not sitting here and like wham, bam, bam, like following a schedule or anything. I just feel like that kind of defeats the purpose of it being like super chill. But I'm about to do a face mask, I think, and do that. Also, I dyed my hair. If you guys can't tell, it's like a burgundy red. It's picking up a lot redder than I feel like it is in real life. And also I got to get some of this off of my forehead. Anywho, let's jump to it. Also, I'm wearing like super comfy clothes. I'm wearing like a black tank top. You guys just saw my bra. And the comfiest like oversized men's sweatpants. And yeah, we're just gonna have a lazy day and hopefully do something to our hair. But before I put on a face mask, I always put this little thing on. I got this off of Amazon. I'll find it and link it below. And Jake is giving you guys a thumbs up. You want to come say hi? Ugh, my voice is also cracking because I'm trying to get a cold. So, oof, look at this.
You mean you're contracting a cold?
No, I'm trying to get rid of one.
Oh.
That's why I've been taking medicine. I've already contracted it.
I thought you were contracting it now.
No. All right, let's get this. Why am I looking at myself? I'm sorry. I'm filming this on my phone because I'm trying to charge my camera to film some other videos later. So, all right. Let me put this on and then we'll get to face masking it up. For me, one of the hardest parts is always picking a mask. Like, I've got this drawer is literally like jam-packed with sheet masks, and I think I only have like a few of them in here, just these two. Really? Oh, I have this one too, which I love this one so much. So good. But let's pick one. And then also dealing with my boys wanting to be everywhere I am. So, say hi.
Hi.
Simba, say hi. He's so big. And the thing is that I have... Simba's dancing in the corner and Jake's making Simba dance. The thing is that I have more in the bathroom. Like more masks. I feel like I need to declutter and get rid of a lot of these and just give them away to like my family members or something, because I have so many and I'm not even like being able to use them. What's wrong, Simba? He wants my attention. Let me give him a little rub and then we'll get to doing this mask or these masks. So I'm sorry if you guys can hear my extractor, but every time I turn on the light, the extractor turns on automatically. But I decided to go with the Wander Beauty Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. One, because it's peel off, and two, because it's both brightening and purifying, so it's supposed to like take everything out of my skin. But before I go in with that mask, I'm gonna go in with this, like, I think it's an intensive eye collagen under eye pads, and I got these from like Marshalls or one of those stores, or like TJ Maxx or something. But I'm gonna put these on first, and then I'm gonna put the mask or where else. Always like so wet. Look, these are always so gooey. it's time for the rest of my face mask. I have to get it on nice and thick. Alright, so now we wait a few minutes and maybe watch some Netflix while we wait, and maybe eat some Trader Joe's peanut butter cups. Let's do both. So like, as far as Netflix, I just ate some peanut butter cups. But anyway, as far as Netflix, I've been really into Wentworth lately. I know I'm late to this party, but I've been really enjoying it. So what are your like Netflix finds or recommendations? Let me know in the comments below, because I'm always looking for stuff to watch on Netflix all the time. I guess just because I have it on my phone and it's easily accessible. But let me know in the comments below. Also, I don't know why I feel like I'm out of breath. Oh yeah, and by the way, this is why I try to make my bed every day, because if not, I'm spending the day like this, lounging in it. Of course, hold on. Anyway, sorry about that, guys, but this is why I like to make my bed, because if not, I'm lounging in it all day long. And also why I like to put on clothes, even though it's not working that great. But I just feel like, do you guys feel like when you put on clothes, like you just feel more like you want to get more stuff done? Does that make sense? Like if I'm in PJs, I don't want to do anything but lay in my bed and like stretch out all day. But if I put on clothes, I feel like Jake is fighting with a garbage bag right now. He was just taking out the garbage. But I just feel like I'm not doing as much as I could be if I'm like in PJs. So tip for me is, don't be like me. Make your bed and put on some clothes. All right, so a few peanut butter cups and a handful of Raisinets later, it's time to take off this mask. I don't know that it's gonna peel off, but I'm gonna try anyway. I always save these for last. And I have a little bit of the mask around my nose still, of course. Look at my hair in the back. That's what happens when you shower and this little piece always ends up getting wet. I will just let this part right here dry there, because you know it's supposed to be moisturizing for my under eyes anyway. So just make sure I have everything off. Then I'm gonna go in and with a little moisturizer and all that jazz. I'm just gonna spray my face with some rose water. And once that dries, I will probably go in with either this or this. I'm thinking I might just do this, the Bliss Drench and Quench. Super hydrating, like it feels super duper hydrating. And then I'll just do the It Cosmetics one once I do my nighttime shower. I can't get this open ever because I just washed my hands. Hold on. A little bit of this goes a very long way, so because it's very like water based, so it's super like liquidy. And I just spilled some on myself. Like, but it definitely feels super moisturizing. Like you can feel it. It feels super duper moisturizing. And just like let it soak into your skin. Now let's do something about those dry ass lips. Let's do something. All right, there we go. So I just put it on until I usually let Sundays be, I don't know if you guys are on diets and stuff like that, but Sunday's usually my me day anyway. So Sunday's the day that I'm going to eat what I want to eat, do what I want to do. Like, this is me day. So eat as much junk food as I want, do all of that. It's also the day that I like to like read. So a few things. I don't know how religious you guys are, but I got this as a gift and it's probably one of my favorite gifts. And it's Well, my cat has clearly gotten into it. You see it. But this is Whispers of Hope. It's like daily devotional for women. And first of all, look at how gorgeous this book is. Also, I don't know what that is. But look at how gorgeous this book is. And I normally like to start my days with these, but some days like I don't have time because I'm running late or whatever. But on Sundays I will try and catch up. Like if I wasn't able to do it 2 days out of the week or whatever, I like to catch up and do it today. This just helps me like woosah and be okay with myself. And then I also will take a book that I like to read and read it, whichever book I'm working on, and just take like some time to read it. Sorry for all the stuff in the back. I am a mom, so realistically, like, this day can't be all about me. I mean, it can, but that never really happens. I still have to like do snacks and all that, but Jake doesn't have school tomorrow, so why not take advantage of that and have a lot of me time today. What I do need to fold laundry a little bit later, but that's gonna happen later, like after I've gotten all the chill out of my system, because I can't stay still for too long. And something else is my planner. So planner wise, this is what I have. It's the Wrong DeVoe collection with Happy Planner. It's the Hustle and Heart one. I like it. I didn't realize it was gonna be this layout. Hold on. Oh, that one's empty. But I didn't realize it was gonna be this kind of layout. I thought it was gonna be, you know, the classic one that they have. That's fine. And then this is the little planner clip that I'm using right now to keep track, but clearly it's not keeping track of anything right now, not just yet. Oh, that's so cool, Jakey. Sorry, Jake was showing me something. And then this is
inside.
Okay, give me a second, please. This is my planner cart. Can you close the door? It's loud. Thank you. This is my planner cart. So this is just a few of the things that I use most often while planning, including lots of pens and stuff. There's like my hot glue gun is back there. And then this is just like storage. There's cameras down there. There's a mic, all of that. And then this is the one that I usually carry in my purse. Actually need to, you know what? That's one of the things I'll do today is I need to get my purse ready for the week. And then this was one of those like Instagram, Amazon ads. And I'm going to show it to you guys because I think it's so cool. But it kind of opens. Let me put it up here so everything doesn't spill. Sorry, guys. But you get this kind of little view and these things in here. Or, hold on. Or you can view it this way. I have a couple of like washi tapes in here, some post-it notes and Sharpies and colorful pens and all that jazz. If you guys are interested in, that was an awkward angle. If you guys are interested in like my planner stuff, let me know. I don't mind filming it, and also it'll give me a bit of a reason. I'm gonna put you guys right here. It'll give me a bit of a reason to film or to sit down and do my planner more often. I love doing my planner, but I just haven't been having time to decorate it like I love to do. So that would definitely give me like, when I'm ashy, it'll definitely give me like a reason to do it. And I'm letting my hair down because it's been up for too long. Look how pretty the color is. I love it. All right, what next? What else do I do for Sunday recovery? I know it's a little hot outside. Is that a submarine? Oh, it's not a submarine. Haha, just kidding. I'm looking out my window. It's just a boat. The top of the boat looked like a submarine from this angle. Anyway, let me show you guys what else I like to do. It's a little hot outside, so I would sit on my balcony, but I'm gonna do it anyway for you guys because why not? So I just feel like me struggling to open up this bottle of wine is quality content. Like, you guys don't want to miss it. 10 out of 10 would recommend. Also, my hair looks a little crazy because I just pulled it out of that bun. I didn't actually do it, but we're getting somewhere. I was able to get this off. So it's a little bit windy out here, so I really hope you guys can hear me. But one of my favorite things to do is kind of, oh, I still have, what is on my face? Anyways, it's to kind of sit out here on my balcony. You guys can kind of see the reflection of what I'm seeing, and just kind of like have some time to myself where I'm just worried about me. I'm drinking some wine. It's very bubbly. I love it. But yeah, just kind of like people watch and have time to like just reflect, have some inner reflection, have some conversations with myself. And I really encourage you to find, even if you don't have a balcony, you don't have to have a balcony to do this, but just find a place where, even though it's noisy out here because of the wind and the cars driving, you know, across the bridge and stuff like that, just the hustle and bustle of the city, like find a place where you can quiet down all of the things happening around you and focus on your own like inner thoughts and what you want to do and things like that. So that's what this is for me. And I mean, I can read out here. I do a couple things out here. Like, I'm just chilling, and it feels good. So this is what I like to do on my Sunday recoveries. It's not anything super crazy. I would say like to do bath bombs and stuff like that, but that doesn't always happen. So I just wanted this to be as realistic as possible. If I have a lot of time, then I'll go into doing things like bath bombs and all of that. But I'm a mom, and I'm not using that as an excuse. I just have a very hectic life. Like, I'm busy all the time. I'm constantly doing things. So like, I sit out here while he's inside playing video games. Like, you know what I mean? Like, it's about finding that balance of being able to do things for yourself as well as still, you know, taking care of your responsibilities and being able to pour into the people around you while making sure that your cup is not empty. And on that note, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe. Let me know in the comments so I know to film more videos like this. And yeah, I will talk to you guys on the next one. Oh, Simba came to visit. Anyways, all right guys, bye.